Do you like to listen to music? Then there are legitimate ways to be compensated for listening to music. If you listen to music on your computer, while watching TV, eating, or working, there are many legitimate apps, websites, and music programs that will pay you for simply listening to music. If you enjoy jamming out to music, and who doesn't, and are curious about how to get paid to listen to music, this article will show you how to make money while listening to music. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Without further ado, let's begin. Is it possible to get paid to listen to music? Yes. If you enjoy music, getting paid to listen to it is a fun side hustle and a legitimate way to make money online from home or anywhere you have internet access. You probably listen to Spotify, but did you know you could monetize your Spotify playlist? You can, for example, get paid to listen to Spotify or the internet radio. There are online platforms you can register with via apps and websites that will pay you to listen to music and then rate and review it. It is a simple and enjoyable way to earn money while eating or watching TV. While listening to music does not pay as well as regular jobs, it will put money in your pocket every month. All you have to do is register for the best legitimate apps, websites, and music programs that will actually pay you to listen to music. There are many money-making or side hustle apps available these days that will allow you to make extra money on your phone by doing simple things you already do in your daily life, such as listening to music. Here are the best music-related apps and websites that will pay you to listen to music. All of these apps and websites are completely free to use. If you've ever wondered how to get paid to listen to music, here are the best apps and websites that will pay you to do so. All of these apps and websites are completely free to use. If you've been wondering how to get paid to listen to music, you can use the Current app to get paid real cash for listening to music on your lock screen. The Current Music app allows you to search for and play from over 100,000 radio stations. The more you play, the more money you make. You can also earn gift cards and cash by referring friends to the Current app. The Current app is the only free lock screen music player that allows you to earn money by listening to music on your lock screen. This app allows you to earn cash rewards while listening to music on your computer, working out, watching TV, eating, running, commuting, or at work. You can also make money by listening to free offline music and radio stations. Every time you listen to music, you will earn points that can be converted into cash. You can also earn cash rewards by completing surveys, sharing your honest opinion, inviting friends, and performing other tasks. The Nielsen Market Research app is an excellent way to earn money while listening to music. The Nielsen app is available for download from both Google Play and the App Store. By downloading and installing the Nielsen app, you grant the app access to your device's usage. The app will then track your device surfing activities, such as the type of music you listen to, the streaming platforms you use, and so on. For market research purposes, Nielsen will then compensate you for your time spent participating in their research. Nielsen's computer and mobile panel, for example, can assist you in making money by listening to your own playlists that you already have on your devices. Although you can only earn up to $50 per year with the Nielsen app, it provides a convenient way to earn money while listening to music on your devices. Earnably is a reward site similar to Swagbucks that pays members in the form of instant cash and free gift cards for completing simple online tasks, surveys, and watching videos. Listening to music is one of the ways you can earn cash and gift cards through Earnably. Listening to your favorite radio stations will earn you points. Your points can be redeemed for PayPal cash or free gift cards from your favorite brands and retailers. You can earn more by inviting your friends, family, and followers. When someone joins Earnably through your unique referral link, you will receive 10% of their earnings for the rest of their life. Slice the Pie is one of the most trustworthy and well-known apps and websites that pay you to listen to new songs before they are released. After listening to a song, they ask you to write a review. If you enjoy listening to music, this is an excellent way to express yourself and earn money. You can't pick and choose which songs to review. Slice the Pie chooses them at random for you to hear. Until you receive the hacks, they are all anonymous. To review a song, you must first listen to it for at least 90 seconds before beginning to write a review. Your review must contain at least 45 words. The more detailed your reviews are, the more money you will be able to earn. The pay per review ranges from $0.03 and $0.15. It may not seem like much, but it adds up. When you have at least $10 in your PayPal account, you can withdraw your earnings. It's completely free to join. Hit Predictor is a website that compensates you for rating songs on the internet. Instead of getting a random mix of music, you can select the genres you want to listen to on this site. However, this means that there may be times where there isn't much to review. When you listen to music on this site, you can rate individual songs or artists based on your preferences. For each rating, you will receive points. Hit Predictor rewards you with 3 points for each song you rate, which you can then redeem for gift cards. At 500 points, you can enter raffles for $50 to $100 iTunes gift cards or free DVDs and CDs. At 1,250 points, you can enter raffles for free DVDs and CDs. There are also numerous contests to enter and other prizes to be won on a daily basis. Radio Earn is a radio app as well as an online radio station. It is completely free to join. You can listen to the station after signing up on their website. Every 15 minutes, you earn points that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. You can add this radio link to your website or even your social media accounts to earn money every time someone clicks on it to listen to the radio station. These points will be converted into USD after the next month. Your earnings can be cashed out using a bank transfer, wire, Amazon gift cards, or Bitcoin. For every 15 minutes you listen to the radio, you earn points. The more you listen, the more points you'll get. The points will be converted to US dollars. Unique Rewards is a reward site that allows you to earn money for doing what you enjoy. On Unique Rewards, there are numerous ways to earn money. This app will pay you to complete offers and surveys, listen to music, watch videos, read emails, shop online, click advertisements, and play free games. As a Unique Rewards member, you can earn money by listening to the radio. You are free to listen to any radio station you want. A CAPTCHA will appear every 30 minutes. You are compensated for each CAPTCHA code that is submitted. Users in the United States earn $0.03 per submitted CAPTCHA code, while users in the United Kingdom and Canada earn $0.01. The minimum balance required to cash out is $20. You can withdraw your earnings weekly, on Mondays, via PayPal, Bitcoin, or check, as long as you have at least $20 in your account. MusicXRay is the largest and most trustworthy music listening website that rewards you for listening to music. For each song you listen to, you earn money. You only need to listen for 30 seconds. You can select your preferred genres, which means you can get paid to listen to music you enjoy. It is an excellent way to supplement your income while doing something you enjoy. This also means that the number of songs you can listen to is limited by the number of songs uploaded by artists in your preferred genres. MusicXRay pays between $0.10 and $12 per hour. To cash out, you must have at least $10. You have the option of withdrawing funds from your PayPal account. It is completely free to join. If you are active on this site and enjoy listening to music all day, you can earn around $100 to $200 per month. As you can see, there are numerous ways to earn money by listening to music. You won't make much money by listening to music, but it's a fun way to make some extra money by doing something you already enjoy. If you enjoy music, you should look into these apps that pay you to listen to it. Sign up for multiple apps to increase your earnings. These apps cannot be used as a primary source of income, but they can be used as a side hustle to earn extra cash each month. Sign up for multiple sites to increase your earnings. So, that's it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Until next time.